Alright, hello everyone, and good morning. Today is Friday, July 25th at 7:08 a.m. And I know I'm doing this very, very early, but it's because I have something to do around 9:48 when I usually do it. But let's go ahead and do this, shall we? We got a marginal that encompasses the half of Maine, almost all of New Hampshire, and half of we'll just say the southern part of Vermont. And we got, oh yeah, well, we can do that. Yeah, another marginal for, no, marginal, it's the same thing, but for southeastern New York and almost all of Pennsylvania, half of the whole state of Maryland, except for that teeny tiny part right there, but also northern Virginia. And almost, half of West Virginia, if I didn't say that already, all of Maryland, almost all of, the whole state of Delaware, and almost all of Ohio, central Indiana, central Illinois, northern Missouri, and extreme southeastern Iowa, and extreme southeastern Nebraska, and, extreme northeastern Kansas, and south central Kansas, and north central Oklahoma. And we got another marginal that encompasses the panhandle of Nebraska, extreme northeastern Colorado, northern South Dakota. I almost forgot the state names now. Almost all of the western half of South Dakota, except for that teeny tiny part right there. Also, the whole eastern part of Montana, and extreme northwestern Minnesota, and all of North Dakota. We got a slight risk that encompasses almost all of Massachusetts, all of Connecticut, almost all of Rhode Island, except teeny tiny. I don't know if I did that, but that teeny tiny part right there, that ain't part of it. Extreme eastern Pennsylvania, and almost all of New Jersey. And also here, a slight risk that encompasses almost all of North Dakota. Central North Dakota. The marginal encompasses Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Denver, Colorado, and DC. And the tornado risk today, we got 2%. We'll start here. Extreme northwestern Minnesota, and also almost all. Extreme northeastern North Dakota, and also, sorry if you hear a crying dog in the background, she's, pretty loud, and also, extreme southeastern Nebraska. The reason why she's in my room right now, because my cousins are about to wake up, and they traumatize her, but also, 30% for, much of northwestern Missouri, and also another 2% for extreme northeastern Kansas. And that's it. The wind risk. Oh yeah, the 2% encompasses Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, and Olaf, Kansas. And the wind risk today, we got the wind threat today, wind threat. I don't know how, some people might say it different, but 5% for half of Maine, almost all of New Hampshire, and the southern half of Vermont. And encompasses parts of Massachusetts, parts of Kansas, parts of almost the whole state of Pennsylvania, almost the whole. Oh my God, dude, why do you do that, buddy? Don't always say it like that, okay, buddy? Okay, well, again, Maine, southern Maine, parts of New Hampshire, parts of Vermont, parts of New York, parts of Pennsylvania, parts of Maine, parts of Delaware, and parts of parts of Northern Virginia. Actually, give me a second. Alright, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that incident. And also, 5%, which encompasses parts of West Virginia, the whole state of Delaware, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Iowa, parts of Nebraska, parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Ohio, parts of West. Oh my God! Excuse me. I almost threw up just now. Parts of Pennsylvania, the whole state of Delaware, and that's pretty much it. We also have a 15% for almost all of Massachusetts, all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, extreme southeastern Pennsylvania, extreme southeastern New York, almost the whole state of Delaware, and extreme southeastern Pennsylvania. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, it depends on how you say north. If you are that, then that's north, and then but the eastern part of Long Island, and also a 5%, which encompasses parts of Colorado, parts of Nebraska, parts of Montana, parts of Kansas, parts of South Dakota, parts of North Dakota, and parts of Minnesota. And also, Montana, if I didn't say that already, and 15 for almost all, the central part of North Dakota. We get the wind. Okay, the 5% encompasses Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Denver, Colorado, and D.C. The 15% encompasses New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Boston, Massachusetts, Newark, New Jersey, and Jersey City, New Jersey. The hail risk today, we only got a 5%, which encompasses the whole eastern part of Montana, the whole northern part of South Dakota, and almost the whole state of North Dakota. And I probably, if I was SBC, even though I ain't, but if there was, I don't know why they would not count that corner. I don't know why they would not count that, but and also extreme northwestern Minnesota. The 5% encompasses Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, and Moorhead, Minnesota, and West Fargo, North Dakota. Well, that is all I'm going for today, folks, and I'll be able to do that. Yes, I will do the Day 2 Outlook this afternoon around 1:30 because I have somewhere to be around 2. But again, I'm very sorry about doing this super early because I have something to do urgently, and I can't do it around when I usually do it around 9:48. I have to leave here around like 10. I'm in Chattanooga, Tennessee, in case y'all wondering, and I have to go to Knoxville to see some family members. But yeah, again, I hope you stay safe and stay weather aware, and I'll see you all this afternoon around 1:30 p.m.